Now to a WJCL 22 News investigation into a troubling pattern involving Georgia State Troopers and profit. And according to records obtained by WJCL 22 News investigates, several Georgia State Patrol troopers are accused of filing personal injury claims tied to their own law enforcement actions, specifically pit maneuvers used during vehicle pursuits. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler joins us now in the studio. These are tactics meant to stop dangerous suspects, not generate personal income.
Yes, Greg, this is what a pit maneuver normally looks like. It's a controlled tactic used by law enforcement to stop a fleeing driver. But according to this internal affairs investigation, some Georgia State Patrol troopers allegedly turned those moments into opportunities to file insurance claims and collect thousands of dollars.
In January 2026, the Georgia Department of Public Safety launched an investigation after a supervisor reported hearing state troopers joke about getting a check from pit maneuvers. According to the findings, troopers from the Nighthawk South Unit, which primarily focuses enforcement efforts in Chatham and Bullock counties, would pull crash reports from pursuits where they perform pit maneuvers, then send those reports to a private attorney. That attorney would file demand letters to insurance companies, claiming the troopers suffered injuries like soreness, stress, and anxiety. Investigators say in many cases there were no medical records and the supposed injuries were never reported to supervisors. Insurance companies often settled quickly, paying $25,000, the state minimum coverage. The Internal Affairs Investigation report identifies 4 Georgia State Patrol troopers at the center of the investigation: Hunter Waters, Tyler Bird, Isaiah Francois, and Sergeant Joseph Curley. Investigators say Waters originated the scheme. Bird told investigators it was a way to supplement his salary. Francois, according to records, filed a claim despite not seeking medical treatment. And Curley, a supervisor who WJCL 22 News interviewed back in 2023, investigators found knew about the practice, failed to stop it, and even attempted to file a claim himself. Investigators found the actions violated multiple department policies, including profiting from official duties. In a closing memo dated April 2nd, all 4 were dismissed from their jobs with Georgia State Patrol. The final finding: misconduct and conduct reflecting discredit on the department.
Now, I have reached out to the Vidalia-based attorney involved, as well as the Department of Public Safety, for comment. DPS got back to me saying in part, quote, "The actions of these few individuals do not reflect the core values of professionalism and trust that define our agency." You can read their full statement on WJCL.com. We're going to, of course, be continuing to stay on top of this developing story. But for now, Greg, I'm going to send it back to you.
Well, thanks for that investigative report. Thanks so very much.